पाकिस्तान का पार्लियामान की बालादस्ती और आइन का बालादस्ती के साथ खड़ा है और पाकिस्तान का पार्लियामान आला अदलिया के साथ 4-3 की अक्सरियती बेंच के साथ खड़ा है। So I would like to present this resolution before this Honorable House. The National Assembly of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan reposes its full confidence in the leadership of Mian Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif as the Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
Now, I read out the resolution before the Assembly. It has been moved that the National Assembly of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan reposes its full confidence in the leadership of Mian Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif as the Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.